if you guys seen Pool Disaster, you might know that we have a pool. If you didn't see Pool Disaster, make sure to go and watch it. Seriously, I don't know how to put it in the description because I'm just a dumb young kid. But today, let's set this paper boat out in the pool, which is right there. And Frances is just doing whatever she's doing. But it's time to set sail. What should we name this paper boat? Anyway, she will sink because these are the kind of paper boats that don't really last very long. There is actually other types of paper boats, and it might last longer than this. I have actually set sail some in the Turtle Pond, which you guys pretty much kind of don't know. And we're also doing a nice way. That's upside down. Sorry guys, but we're doing some farming. But now it's time to set sail. Her. It's coming in the way though, so yeah. Hello. Alright, let's get it on this chair. Hopefully don't drop this thing. And she's gonna set sail. And there we go. She makes it all the way to that ladder over there. Then we're gonna keep the paper boat. As you can see, she is gliding on the side, and I think she's actually gonna make it. Let's go all over here, and then oh no, she might be sinking. Oh no, she's sinking. Oh, she's going all the way back. Oh, I think he's sinking. Right? Oh, wait, I think the wind is pushing her. Wait, no, she's gonna go under the slide. I don't know if we even can, though. Good, but guys, it is set sailing. Showing her other side. Oh, looks like she's about to. Better watch out. Okay, she's going through the other direction. Oh, wind picking it up. Oh my god. Oh wait, there. Oh no, I forgot about that. Oh no, she might sink. She might got caught in that hole. That might have been. If that happens, that's gonna be a bad idea for us to put that paper boat inside. Oh my god, wait, oh, the wind is taking her. Oh no. Oh, come on, you got this. Oh, no, wait, no. Okay. Oh, it's pushing. Oh, no. Oh, the wind is taking, she's going on her side. And, come on, paper boat. You're so close. And, yes. Mr. Paper Boat has made it. Oh, wait, no, the wind is taking her. Oh my god, guys. Okay, we gotta take her. We gotta take this paper boat. She's sinking right now.
I wouldn't even be around the pool with that tablet. If you drop it in the pool, it's gone. It's ruined.
Okay.
It can't be fixed.
Alright, so that was just my dad. Because I actually broke this tablet before. And we got it fixed, so I do not want to break it ever again. But turns out she's in the garbage, actually. But that was a pretty nice time. Alright. Make sure to like or comment. If you can't comment, it's probably because maybe it's like a children video. I don't know, but could comment, like, or subscribe. Do nothing. I don't know. But you could just do whatever. Bye. And peace.